So welcome back, guys. I actually went back to where I found the pliers and I found some scissors and I hooked a bag of hooks. Look at how old these hooks are, like. So I started digging around and voila, I found some weights. Now let's set this down. There's my I found a knife. 3 knives actually. With my magnet fish right in my own yard. It's a box cutter knife. Look at these weights I found. They are just disgusting. Look at that. They're so old, they're like white. And I found some gremlin weights and a bobber. This is crazy. I just found all this in my yard. Like, this is the crazy stuff. Like, seriously. Found a whole bag of hooks. Don't think they're any good. Look at all these screws and nails I pulled out the dirt. I found a chain. Found a hook, a big old bolt. Found some rebar. I found a cat. She likes following me around. Hi, Willie. Oh, this is my score for the day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the share, thumbs up, likes, whatever.